lonesome Georgette. Actually, that's why we called her George. The lonesome George Goebel. But she's down here all by herself. No friends. But she gets very hungry. And then when we're through with this, we have to walk down to a place down here where she goes into her boudoir. You didn't. Boy, you didn't. You just missed me. What's the matter? Hawks around? Or sometimes she goes over here and there's a water sprinkler that leaks and she has a drink of water and then she walks down there. Let's relax. It's all right. Come on.
I'm just zooming in now. Let's see what he's doing up there.
You're shitting. I hope you
No,
don't
no, no. He's picking away. Yeah, now move around a little or say something. Talk to the birds. Sing.
Shalom, shalom. Only in California. This is, see if I can move him.
He knows you're from Africa.
I know. I hope he's not soiling my
No,
hat.
no. He's busy picking away at your hat. He liked that white must have attracted him.
There. He's still there?
Yeah?
He's fearless. This is the latest in ladies' hairdo or fashion, I think.
Oh, wouldn't Jerry like this?
I
To
tell you.
have a hat like that.
Yeah, he's not so light.
Living hat.
I know. Let's see if we can walk with him. Huh? See if he'll. I'm gonna. Look at these guys up here.
I know, they're all waiting.